There's a hurricane outside my house, and I don't know what to do. Hey, Rose. It's the hurricane. I swear it's right outside. The hurricane is outside. Not on my watch. Not my watch. You're going out there. You're not going out there. You're staying here with me, where it's safe. Like down here. And stay here till the hurricane goes bye-bye. I'm not scared. No, people. Am I scared? No, I'm not scared at all. I'm not scared of the hurricane. The hurricane's scared of me. Listen, I'm smarter than that. I'm smarter than the hurricane. Mr. Camera, how'd you get all the way up there? Mr. Camera, come back down. Oh, Mr. Camera. Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna love you. It's not a word, don't say. Even time.